it's Rebecca here from RhinoCo Technology. I'm coming to you with an update for the second week of August. This week we've sent out a reminder email about some of the great pricing on the WatchGuard compact series of motorised IP cameras and recorders. The 4 megapixel compact series cameras come in a bullet, turret and IK10 vandal dome housing. Despite them being small in size, they certainly pack a punch. With a motorised 2.8 to 12mm lens, on-the-edge recording via MicroSD card, and IVS motion detection. This makes them suitable for a various range of installations. You can also save up to $260 by purchasing them in a carton quantity of 20 pieces. You can pair these cameras with a 16-channel compact series recorder for only $359 plus GST. That's without a hard drive. The recorder supports 2 hard drive bays with a capacity of 10 terabytes each. Now a reminder, these prices are only valid for approved wholesale clients. For further details, either log into the client portal or speak to your sales rep. Secondly, it's even easier to get to our Haberfield branch. The new M4 tunnel exit at Waratah Street is just around the corner. So from Parramatta CBD to our Haberfield branch is only 20 minutes now. So whether you wish to pick up stock for a last minute install or you're needing a demonstration on a few products, our Haberfield branch has become even more convenient. Here at Rhino, we're always looking at ways to help support your install business. Whether this be through marketing, training, or anything else, we want to know. So either comment on the video below or send through your suggestions to your sales rep. Bye for now.